first glance, it's unsettling. A tongue large, heavy, unmistakable. But to communities accustomed to survival, beef tongue was opportunity. Another overlooked cut. Another chance to extract nourishment from what others rejected. Tongue requires time. Must be simmered slowly for hours until tender. The outer skin peeled away. Sliced thin. And beneath that tough exterior, richness, softness, flavor. For enslaved Africans and later poor black families, that patience paid off. Tongue could stretch across sandwiches, stews, tacos in neighboring communities. Shared traditions across cultures of the oppressed. Represents a deeper lesson. That value often hides beneath hardness. That tenderness sometimes requires endurance first. Beef tongue carries the story of transformation through time and heat. And it reminds us that soul food has always been about discovering worth where others saw none. This is Soul Food Stories. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.